came to see from Naya. She said.
From Naya? From Naya is not home.
But I thought Onyeka saw her coming back from the market this morning.
Is that what Onyeka told you? That Onyeka with his half-past eyes. Eh? Please. I'm sure it was not from Naya he saw. Probably saw somebody that looks like from Naya.
Thanks. Mama, is that not from Naya that I saw just pass just now?
And I told you that from Naya is not home. Eh? Yeah.
Okay, what of Papa is inside? Let me greet him.
Papa is home, but he's sleeping. He left special instruction that he should not be woken up, no matter what.
Mama, please, so it's not like I'm pushing it, but are you okay? Is everything alright?
Excuse me? What do you mean, is everything alright? You want me to be sick, fall ill, so that you will be happy? Why are you interrogating me in my own house?
No, it's just the way you're treating me.
How am I treating you?
Ogama.
Oh, go and sleep now.
Who is that?
Naya.
Who is the person?
Not an important
Papa.
Well,
listen, my son. You're welcome, my son.
Papa.
When did you return?
Excuse me, Naya, please, let me...
Papa, just now. Yes, Papa, what is going on here? I mean, what is going on in your house?
My son, I will advise you to reach home first, rest, so we can talk later.
Papa, why are you telling me to go home and rest? Eh? I came back to see you people, you're telling me to go and rest. Eh? I asked for food now, they said she's not around. And I saw somebody that passed that looked like her. You, they say you are sleeping, that you... Papa, what's going on? I did not do any work that I need rest for. What's going on here?
Madness. Madness has visited this household.
Madness?
That is what it...
What is your problem? Why are you shouting? Don't you know I'm coming.
But please come.
I'm coming. Don't you know I have visitors? Why are you embarrassing me?
No, but you said from Naya is not her. Is that not her voice?
That is her voice, but not from Naya. Sometimes the voice can be in a different place, while the body is in a different place.
But please come.
I'm coming. Please, stop shouting. You're embarrassing my visitors. Start going. I don't understand this.
What's the meaning of this?
Can you start going? Please, Nanya, as you're going, I don't want somebody's voice to talk like that. Please.
Just go to the gateway first.
Okaro mobi Ujina tumo Omuko asiade Gosafo Love nere koko Love a warm nana Okwero ndidi Obimbawa Ewe lobo na boya Love bomu noba Okwero ndidi Gosafo Love nere koko Love a warm nana Okwero ndidi Obimbawa Ewe lobo na boya Love bomu noba Okwero
This is not fair. It's not happening. What nonsense?
Seriously, I don't like this. What are you doing? What you saw where? Eh? When I was telling you to go and pay her bride price, what did you say to me? You told me your father said she must graduate first. Now she's old enough to make her choice. Why are you complaining? trying to leave you? Or she has left you? Eh? Listen.
Yeah, this is a dream. I will wake up. Is it bad dream? Listen, you're not dreaming.
Okay? As you can see, are you not seeing my hand? That means you're not dreaming. But Body, is that where you stopped?
No, this is absolutely not.
No, what's not happening?
Not there.
What's not there? What is not there? Tell me. What's not there? I thought I called you.
Oh, see, Mama, you have no problem. You know what I mean? You ain't got problem. You see, they call me Desmond. The Don Desmond in a cash. Money talks, bullshit works. You see this money right here, this moolah baby, is what I do for a living. I help people. You see, anything, Mama, you want in life, I'll just order it like real quick. So you don't need to worry about anything in life because I'm bigger than life. Name it. You want it to be ordered from the United States? You want it from Malaysia? You want it from Afghanistan, Mama? You want it from South Africa, Johannesburg? Be it in Japan. You want me to order from there? That's what's up, Mama. I say, so you ain't got problem. I'm Desmond for Mina Cash. That's what they call me. Money talks. And they say bullshit words. Say,
Oh, the Don.
Mama, you ain't got problem. And I tell you something, Mama. What you ought to be doing in your life at all time, go to church and say, Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord is with thee, blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Father Almighty, I thank you for bringing Desmond, the Don Desmond, into our life. I thank you for bringing the Don Desmond into our family.
I'll do that, my son. I'll do that.
I trust you, Mama. I trust you. Now, without time wasting, like I said, money talks, bullshit words. This is what we call moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Mama, this for you. Right there. I've not started. I ain't started yet. That's moolah right there. Baby, this for you right there.
For me? Hey, thank you,
That's
baby.
for my baby. I told you I'll do anything in life for you. As long as you keep being good, you're my responsibility. As long as you keep being good, you will shine until you die. Now where's Papa?
He has gone out.
Okay. That's for Papa right there.
Desmond, this is too much for us.
Mama, I've always told you, stop saying, what? I'm not even started yet. You see, I live this life for you. You are the only family that I know in this life. So if I don't do it for you, who do I do it for? No, if I don't do it for my baby, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my boo, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my shorty, who do I do it for? You see, I'm going to turn this village upside down because of my goal. I don't joke with my goal. I don't joke with my sweetie. I don't joke with my boo. Now, Mama, listen and listen real good.
Yes.
I've got a surprise for y'all.
You do?
Yeah.
What?
I want to get a new whip for my girl.
Whip? A whip? To whip her?
Come on. You see what I keep saying? That's why I want to take you all out. So upgrade you all a little so you can be a little bit more exposed in life. Whip means car.
Cool. Car!
That's what I'm talking about.
He's gonna get you car!
That's what it is, Mama.
Hey, let me get you a car! So much, my
Baby,
darling.
you don't need a mission. You don't need a mission. You don't need to step thinking, man. Your life is my life. Your life is my life. So, Mama, like I said, you ain't got problem. Everything is covered up. So I think I'll be leaving. I'll see you all later in the day. Is that okay? Then I'll come through with my father. I'm gonna come through with my dad.
Well, let me see him. Okay.
So like I told you, anything for my baby, anything for my boo. Anything for my baby, anything. Big girl, mama.
The dawn.
I'm gonna come through with my dad.
This one didn't come here to see all of us.
I don't know who that boy is.
Hey, now that God has buttered our bread, you're not being cooperative. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Which God? The same God you were jumping up and down thanking when Olisa came to pay for Naija's school fees? That same God?
Wait. Do you know that God has just remembered us? Our house is flowing with honey. So what else would you want from God?
Not that type of honey. There must be sand inside that honey. I don't enjoy so much. Good honey doesn't come like that. This one that is doing his eyes, chan, it's not good. It's not a good thing.
You've not even tasted the honey yet and you're complaining about sand. Anyway, this is the money that I said I should give to you.
Take this thing away from me. Did I ask you for money?
So you're not taking the money? No problem.
Look, let me tell you. Whatever you people are planning with that young man, count me out of it. I am not part of it.
But there's something I want to tell you. If you chase this boy away with this your attitude, you will not find peace here. Mark my words. I will make life unbearable for you.
This is pure madness.
Okay.
When the trouble comes.
Before the trouble, since you're not taking this money, I'll go to the market and get that judge I've been begging you to buy for me since. Who told you that?
I couldn't believe what my eyes saw today.
I don't believe that. From Naya that I know loves Olisa with all her heart. I mean, she is deeply in love with Olisa. From Naya cannot be with another man. It's not possible.
My dear, I couldn't believe it myself. That's why I want you to ask her. Please, talk to her.
This is serious. Anyway, no problem. I'll go to phone Naya. Then I'll ask her if all these things that you're telling me is actually true. If she's marrying another man.
Not just marrying. Is she seeing someone else? I don't want anybody to hurt my friend. Not from Naya. I don't want it.
So when are you going back?
My dear, I'm not going back again. Akokala has gotten me a job in our community's microfinance bank.
Really? Oh God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Hey, God, I thank you. May God continue to bless you. May He strengthen you. May He keep opening doors for you in Jesus' mighty name, I pray. I'm so happy.
Oh my God, baby. I never knew all this while that I had a prophetess as a girlfriend all this while.
Baby, God.
Baby, you know what I want?
No.
Beautiful.
I will give you anything you want today. I'll come away from you.
What is this that I'm hearing? What are you hearing?
That you're seeing another man.
Ebere, why do you like gossip a lot? Why?
Are you trying to tell me that what I heard is not true?
Is that why you came here? Tell me, is that why you are here? To discuss my private life?
Naya, if what I heard is true, It's not fair.
I do not want to talk about that. If that is why you've come, then please, I don't want to talk about it. If you won't help me, then leave it.
Naya, for crying out loud, you're my cousin and my best friend. Yeah. If I hear anything bad, I have to come to you and ask you.
Ask me what? What are you asking me, Ebere? After you've sat down with them and gossiped me, now you're telling me you're my sister, you're my this. Let them gossip. I don't care. Oh. They should gossip all they can. I don't care. I don't.
Naya, I have this feeling that something bad is about to happen.
Something bad?
Yes.
You are feeling that something bad is about to happen? Prophet Ebere, keep feeling. You will not talk about something else, oh. It's just me. By the way, it's your turn. Let's talk about you for once at least.
I know you want us to change the topic.
We have to change the topic. Because we've been talking about me all this while. It's your turn.
No problem. Let's talk about me.
How about Onyeka? Your boyfriend?
My Onyeka is fine. He has gotten a job in our community's microfinance bank. And he'll be starting job next week, Monday.
Hey! That's a good news! My dear, this is what we are begging God for. Good news! What is that? At least you can be able to buy you cream. Look at you. How dry your skin.
You are insulting me. No, I'm giving you the permission. Insult me more.
Hey, my sister, seriously, let me tell you, let's be sincere to ourselves. Every girl on earth needs a man that can comfortably take care of her needs. It's very, very important.
No, Nanya. No man on earth can provide all that a woman wants. It's not possible.
Story. If I hear.
Nanya, seriously, if you ask me, I prefer love. You see, love is very, very important.
Yeah.
A man can give you all he has in this world, but without love, it is useless.
Sorry.
I am telling you the truth. Or are you trying to tell me that you're not enjoying how Olis has been treating me and loving you?
First and foremost, nobody in this life will love don't help. Who love help? Will you eat love? And for your information, it's not Olisa that is taking care of me. It's Olisa, Biniwe, God in heaven that has been taking care of me. Not Olisa, oh. Please.
Naya, wait though. I don't understand you. You're sounding strange.
Yes. My dear, the only constant thing in life is change. And as a matter of fact, I have not changed negatively. I have changed positively. I am now a matured woman. Yes.
Real woman indeed. Sokoto has really changed you.
Positively. Positive change. Your turn.
Are you telling me that Naya did not come out to see you at all? The only thing I could figure out is that while I was in their living room, I noticed she passed from another room to the other. And she saw me, but she turned her face.
Hey! All I know is that there is something to be unraveled. There is something fishy.
What? I think they are up to something. Because the way the mom treated me like a total stranger, it was amazing. I was full of shock. How people can change. But not once. There is nothing hidden under the surface of this earth.
Shall see. Well, what I want to ask is this. Let's forget about what Ogoma did. I know the type of a woman she is. What did
Nothing.
Huh?
Yes. Apart from the fact that once in a while he just exclamates, he just say this or that. But eventually, the only thing I could figure out that he said is that madness has visited his house.
He said it?
Yes.
That madness has visited him. He's right then. Yes. Madness indeed. Madness has visited him. In fact, madness is already dwelling with him. So, something is actually wrong somewhere. But all I know is this. We have to apply wisdom here. Let us just use our legs to fish out whatever has fallen inside the snow.
Papa, Mama, I just want to believe that it's not what I'm thinking that is about to happen though. Because if it happens, I'm not going to take it easy. I will not. I will not take it easy.
Calm down, my son. Yeah? Calm down, let's watch and see. Let's see what tomorrow.
Papa, what if I'm coming down and things now goes out of hand? Yeah? What?
My son, what will be will certainly be.
That is it.
What is it? Nothing will even go wrong. And in this matter, we have just two options. To handle it or to leave it the way it is. But that is it. Your father is correct if you ask me.
I just don't understand this. I don't get it.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, I hope there's no problem. Hey, Mama. What did you buy for me from the city? Baby, why are you behaving as if you did not miss me? Why you did?
But you're also pretending as if nothing happened. To you, what happened in your house yesterday was child play?
Oh, baby, come on. I was going to... What are you talking about? You're still talking about yesterday?
Because it's serious to me. Yeah, because you that did it will forget, but I was heartbroken. I didn't sleep all through the night.
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I'm here now with you, okay? Okay. How is business?
Fine.
It's okay now. You shouldn't be angry with your love like that.
Fumanaya.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
You are here.
Yes, sir. Baby, come on, I'm sorry. It's me, it's your phone, Nanya. My darling, I'm sorry. I apologize once again. I'm deeply sorry. Okay? Get up. Let's go inside so you give me what you bought for me from the city. Oh! Guys, have you done? Mama, what are you doing? I'm checking out some clothes and I'm trying to see which outfit will be good for that day. That's the day. Yes. Which day is that day? The day our in-laws will be coming to do something on your head. Hi! Don't you think this is nice? Whether you like it or not, my sister, I am the happiest girl in this world. Do you know that Obisa paid 2 years house rent for me in the university? Yes, that means during my stay in the university till I'm done, I will not pay nothing. Shish, I won't pay. Hey!
Nanya, you're not just lucky. You are blessed. Hey! Obisa is a kind and wonderful man.
My sister, I cannot wait to be called his wife. I can't wait.
I just pray that you will not break his heart later.
What kind of talk is that?
I know what I'm saying. You're already in school, and school might open your eyes. You start seeing Olisa as a common man.
What school? Ebere, why would you say such? How can I see my own Olisa, my sweetest heart, as a common man? I will never do that. Please, don't say it again.
Okay, yes, God will forbid it. Yeah? But I know why I'm saying this. I just want you to have it at the back of your mind that Olisa is one man you shouldn't hold. He is such a caring man.
No, I can never hurt Olisa. I love him so much. How can I hurt a tall, handsome, young man whom God has given to me to wipe my tears and that of my family? I can't do that. Who will throw such a man away? Who will not embrace a man like Olisa? But no.
You say that because you're my sister and I am.
Hey, that's what you will say. Hey.
So how is school?
It's fine, no. You see me now.
No, you're shining.
Hey.
What?
How is uncle?
My father. He went to Mazio KK's bar to enjoy himself.
As usual. Uncle can enjoy. My sister, that's aside. You know you're such a wonderful cook. And I said to myself, Nanya, you will not come back to this village and return back to school without enjoying Ebere's delicacy. Please, my sister, I'm hungry.
As if I knew you were coming. I prepared a very delicious appetizer.
And you know it's your favorite. I am telling you.
You ate peace.
I did.
How are you?
Hi, my dear. You didn't tell me you're back.
Well, I just came back now. And I decided to come and see you first.
You're welcome.
How is Mama? Okay, let's go and see.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please take care of her. We're coming back, okay?
So how are you? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Why are you not looking at me? Are you dashing?
Mama.
Hey, my son.
How are you, Mama?
I am fine, no. It's just this my eye. I started again.
Mama, you don't have to. It will be solved this time around. Yes. I'll be taking you to a specialist hospital in Kaduna. Where they will take care of your eye. And by a specialist even at that.
Take me to Kaduna?
Yes.
For eye treatment?
Yes. Taking care of it.
God bless you. God bless you and replenish your pocket.
And you too, Mama.
Hey!
What of Papa?
Papa, he has gone out to see his brother Anika. But he'll be back soon.
Okay, no problem. We'll go so that I can give you the things that I want. No problem. Mama, going out to Naya. Well, however, get prepared though. The day after tomorrow, we're going to Kaduna.
Where are you going? I'll buy you. Plenty of vegetables. Okay. And
later.
Okay, see you people. They think I don't know where they're going to. This girl has stopped going to church since she started. Oh, I didn't do it with her father. I was very careful.
I hope you guys are not talking about us.
Must we discuss you? We are discussing about ourselves.
See you, I don't trust you. You can maybe ask yourself. I don't trust you. Come here.
Sweet. You have done a lot for me. I can't even count them.
Could have told you time without number. But you should stop praising me or thanking me. Everything I did it for you, for us.
I know. But there are a few men in this life that have a heart of gold. And you're one of them. You're different.
Same way, there are few women like you who are this sweet and wonderful. And that's the reason why I pray so hard, begging God to give you grace to graduate on time, so that you can be my wife.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Once I'm done from the university, you can go and see my people.
Cindy. Cindy and Wendy.
Oh my God.
You know what? I think we should go inside and start practicing how to be husband and wife. Yes. Let's go.
Man. This one you're sitting like this, staring at your blouse. Oh, what is it?
Mom, I'm not happy at all. I'm feeling very guilty.
Guilty? Guilty for what?
Mama, you sound as if you don't know. You're telling me to leave Olisa and get married to Desmond. If I marry Desmond, that will hurt Olisa so much. Olisa has done enough for me. For us, Mama.
Okay. So what is it that Olisa has done for you and us that no other human being has done for anybody?
Mama.
Eh?
Why are you sounding as if you've forgotten so soon? He has done a lot for us.
Wait, so you're trying to tell me you cannot exist without Olisa, yeah? Is that what you're saying? Now let me ask you a question. When you met Olisa, were you not a virgin?
Mama.
Yes! Answer now. Then Olisa came and you opened up for him. And he took the special thing meant for your husband. So, it's give and take. He took from you and gave you back.
Mama!
So don't tell me about what he has done for you.
Mama, stop this thing you're saying. I don't like it.
Stop telling me to stop it. Okay, answer me. Are you still a virgin?
Am I lying?
Are you a virgin now?
Mama, stop now.
Oh yeah.
Mama, please. I can't pay Olisa enough for what he has done for me.
My daughter, please stop talking about Olisa. Think about Desmond. Desmond is a good man and he is rich. He will take care of us.
Mama, you keep talking about getting married to Desmond. What about love? I'm not even sure if he truly loves me.
That is not a problem. By the time you move into his house, you will know that he truly loves you. From the little I've seen him, what he's been doing and the way he's been taking care of, it is very obvious he loves you.
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why?
You really want to know why? No. You think you're in love with Olisa, right? I was in love with your father. When you talk about love, people know us now. I was in love with him and that was why I married him. You know Akwilili of Uzobodo? He came to marry me now. Who is richer than Akwilili around here? He came to marry your mother. But I turned him down because I was in love with your father. Do you know that when I go for meetings and I meet Akwilili's wife, I hide? Because I always come in this wrapper that is like nylon, falling all over the place. This woman will wear the best of Georges, cord lace, big cloth. I'll be hiding myself. Even when I see Akwilili in his jeep and he wants to wave, I take cover. You don't need it. You understand what I'm telling you?
But Mama, my Olisa is not poor. He's not a poor man. He's okay.
He's okay. Olisa that can't even manage himself. That Olisa that's been riding one car for the past 5 years. He's not a poor man. You're waiting for him to get down to Keke before you call him poor. Do you know every time I go around that mechanic workshop, Olisa is there fixing the car. If he's not helping mechanic to, he's helping him to knock. If mechanic is under knocking, Olisa will be on top covering or knocking. If mechanic is on top knocking, Olisa will be under blowing. What kind of poverty is that? As old as he is, he's still living in his mother's house. My daughter, if you marry this, your whole situation will change. Desmond is rich. He has cars. He has his own house. When I come for Omugo, I will have somewhere to stay. Feel free and feel like a big woman. You change my clothes. If you marry Elisa, you know that his mother is as big as myself now. We'll be trying to sit on one chair. Maybe one day the chair would even break. You know that chair in that corner in their house where she's always seated. Don't go there, please. I know why I'm trying to protect you. Besides, knowing Desmond is already showing in our lives. So, my daughter,
Papa, how good afternoon.
Again? How many times will you greet me this afternoon?
Papa, I want to tell you that Desmond and his people are coming this weekend.
And how is that my business?
Papa, they are coming to pay my bride price.
Look, I want to rest. Just leave me alone. I don't want to talk about some rascal now.
Papa, Desmond is not a rascal.
I don't need you to tell me what he is or not. Now, let me ask you, Christian. Have you taken time to look at that young man? Does he look like somebody that wants to get married to you at that matter? Huh? Does he look like somebody that knows the value of a woman in a man's life? All he cares about is brag and boast about the sum of money he has.
Papa, I'm not complaining. I love him like that. I'm not complaining.
I don't care if you are complaining or not. But listen to me. Count me out of that thing you and your mother started. I will not be a part of it. And I don't want to talk about it again. Leave. Now let's leave this place. Just moment. Just look at that man coming to me. It's sudden.
Oh, please, what do we do? I don't want to lose Desmond.
Don't you trust your mother?
I do.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I don't know what is wrong with my husband. Yeah? Good things are coming our way and he just doesn't seem to be interested.
I don't really understand. Let me understand.
Well, there's this young man that came back from overseas. The man is handsome, he is loaded, he's very rich. And he's asking for Funlania's hand in marriage. But your brother, my husband, is against it.
Why would you refuse a thing like that?
Oh. Well, I think it's because of that Olisa that trained Funlania in school. So he's not going to be in support of any other person getting married to her.
Well, I will go and consent to him.
Ilani, please, I don't really want you to talk to him. What I'm here to ask of you is to stand in for him. Act like Funlania's father when the in-laws come. After all, you're Funlania's father's elder brother. Funlania is also your brother. By the way, this is something good from our in-law. I want you to enjoy with me. This is just small. Yes, so really? There's more from where that is coming. It's only your God that will give this kind of money.
Hey! Don't worry. I will even invite Wednesday and your focus. Who will be there?
we don't need to invite all those people. We don't want a crowd. My angel wants to use money to cover everything. So we don't really need a crowd. Oh, just your presence. That's all we need.
Okay. Just count the game. Eh? Hey. I'll be there.
That's what I always talk about you. You're always very supportive. And you're very understanding. Now, if you can, I have to be on my way now, eh?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bless you. Hey.
Thank you.
Where did she get all this money from?
What is your problem, this girl? Why do you ask where this money is coming from? Will you go inside there and prepare me food?
Papa, you called me.
Yes, sit down. I want to ask you a question. And I want you to be truthful. Tell me the truth.
No, yes,
Has police offended you in any way?
no, Papa.
He has not offended you.
Yes.
Then what is going on?
Nothing, Papa. Nothing is going on.
Nothing?
Yes, Papa. I just needed a breath of fresh air.
What does that one mean?
Papa, can't I have another friend again? Olisa is not the only man in this world. I have right to mingle.
You have not answered my question, and you know that. What do you mean by breath of fresh air?
Papa, I want you to know that I'm a grown-up woman now. And I know exactly what I want in a man.
And you don't want Olise any longer?
Papa, I never said so. But it is not ordained that Olisa is my husband. God did not create me and made it mandatory that I must get married to Olisa. No, it's not like that. You're making it look as if I'm a very wicked person, but I am not. He saw me through school. Is he the only one that have trained someone in the university? He is not. Please, you should allow me. I'll not kill myself for him.
Let me tell you the truth. If you go ahead to do what you and your mother are planning to do, you are not just wicked, but you are heartless.
Papa!
Why did you go ahead to give the young man hope when you know that he was no longer good enough for you? Why? Now, I want you to remember how everything started. Because I remember it, I had it in my hand, like yesterday.
What is it, Mama? Wait, Mama. He's inside. What happened? If you see what happened today, say what it is now. Mama, I am the happiest girl in this village. Okay, if you're not ready to tell me, then you just mind your business. Mama. Yes? Olisa has promised to send me to the university. What did you say? I said he has promised to send me to the university.
Olisa promised to send you to the university?
Papa, I will be starting school on Saturday. It is confirmed. Hey. Awesome God you are. University. Yes, sir.
Olisa, that boy has the heart of a father.
I'm telling you.
Let me just go and say thank you to him.
It's not let me. Let us. Let us. Let's go. Hey.
I called two of you because I feel I have something important to say to you. We all know that things are very hard. Yet Olisa wants to pay for Naija's university school fees. I think he has lifted a heavy burden off my shoulders, off our shoulders. And I would want us to always remember him in our prayers so that his pocket will never run dry.
You've spoken well as usual.
Thank you, my dear.
You know, those days that we were thinking of where to raise money for, to pay for her school fees, I mean, I had sleepless nights. Every night I'll stay awake and wonder and think. And this young boy, such a child, comes and decides to pay for her school fees.
Oh.
There's only God that can pay him. Amen. I will never in my life forget this good gesture. Never. Never.
It is good that we don't forget it. For now, there is something that Olisa saw in you. He saw the star in you that attracted him. Please don't let that star run dim. Don't disappoint us. Always remember where you came from and put God first in everything you do. Please.
But I promise you, I will never disappoint you.
Thank you, that's right.
I trust my daughter. See this girl? Yes. I trust my daughter. I said it 2 times for emphasis. I know the kind of person she is.
That's right.
That
yes.
I don't know if we can bring it to you now.
Yes, I'm already hungry.
Okay. Akide.
In my next life, I will marry you. Yes, my dear. Please sit down.
Oh,
just sit down. Hey! Very sweet. You cooked very well. As usual.
Thank you. Thank you.
As usual. Hey! I want you to know that Olisa and Funanya will strengthen the relationship between the two families. And I want us to avoid anything, any act at all that will cut the relationship between the two families.
Nani, I understand where you're coming from.
Thank you.
And I want to assure you, from now on, I have taken Olisa as my own son.
Oh,
no one would want to hurt his reflection.
Thank you so much. That is what I mean. We shall take him as our own. Our own now.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Please get me more water.
More water. Okay.
Do you know why I called you out here?
No, Papa.
There is this saying that only a fool does not remember where the rain started beating him. Because definitely he will not remember where it stopped. Olisa and his people saw something in you. And they love you as their own.
I know, Papa.
Do you also know that it is a terrible thing to bite the finger that feeds you?
It's not a big thing, Papa.
Do you know why it is important to announce the coming of the rain before it eventually comes?
Papa, I know exactly where you're heading to. And I promise you, my father, I will never disappoint you. I won't.
You're welcome, my daughter. How is school?
School is fine.
Welcome.
Because your daughter is now a graduate.
You don't mean that. Yes. You graduated. Mama Bunaya. Mama Bunaya.
Yes,
Come and hear this with your ears. Come. Hey! Okay.
So, Mama, didn't tell me you were coming. That is because I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes, Mama.
What is the surprise?
Which is that your daughter, Funanya, is now a graduate. I can't believe this.
My daughter, a graduate?
I'm telling you, Mama.
Graduate son.
Hey! Olisa, my son. Only boy. Only Baba. God will bless you.
Amen.
You will see no harm.
Amen.
Anybody that tries to harm you, hey, God will massacre. Will destroy.
Amen.
Will get everything back. God will do to the person.
Amen.
Hey, you know what? This calls for a situation. Oh yeah.
God said, I'll keep my business.
Hey, please, I graduate. I will keep my biggest.
Let me ask you one question.
All right.
You have been visiting Olisa in the city.
Yes, I do.
Has he said anything to you like he wants you?
Papa.
No, I'm a man. You know, I'm a man. And I've seen that he likes you.
Yeah.
Has he said anything like that?
See, Papa, he wants it to be official. And we both agreed that after my NYC, then he will come and meet you for the proper rites.
Oh, so that means two of you already have it in mind.
Yes. Papa.
That's what I want to hear.
Yes, we love ourselves.
Yes. What about you? Have you told your mother?
Mama knows now. She knows already.
Uh-huh.
Yes, she does.
And she has kept it from me all this while.
Mother and child. You mustn't hear everything, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hey!
Papa, why will you keep dwelling in the past? This whole thing is gone. Allow it to remain in the past.
It is the past that brought the present. And the present we bring tomorrow. If we don't have the past, we won't have the present, and we won't have the future. When you were rounding off your youth service, both of you agreed. You told me that both of you agreed to get married by January.
Papa, that was then. I changed my mind. I'm no longer interested.
You changed your mind. Now when you changed your mind, did you tell him? He is a human being. You would have told him earlier enough for him to move ahead with his life.
He can always move ahead with his life because so pleases. It's his life.
Have you put yourself in his shoes?
Papa, why should I put myself in his shoes? Papa, please. I did not mean to be disrespectful. But I was doing something inside when you called me. And I want to return to what I was doing.
I will not hinder you from doing what you were doing. You can go ahead and go for the whole world if you like. But God will bear me witness that my hand is not in what you and your mother are doing. So that when the law of karma will come lacerating your back, I will be here to laugh at you. I will laugh at you.
Karma does not have any right or any power over me. Karma can never do me anything.
Don't worry. We are all here. I will be here. You are there. We will see. We will see. Your wife came to me. Yes, I know. And I also hope that she told you that I am not in support of what they are planning. Did she tell you that? I wonder why you are not in support of such good thing coming your home. What is the good thing coming my home? That Funanya will leave the boy that suffered and trained her in the university to marry a total stranger? What is good about it?
Uchendo.
Yes?
Let me tell you right now. If on that day you refuse to be present, I, Anika, I will go ahead give Funanya's hand in marriage to Desmond.
And that's all. Am I complaining? I didn't say you shouldn't give a hand in marriage to Desmond, but you must bear the consequence with your head.
Just that. Which consequences?
The consequence that will follow. Be ready to bear it.
Look at good things coming into our family. You want to reject it?
Something good happened before now. And that good thing is Solisa.
And you left the whole house open.
I was in a hurry.
Who brought all those things at the back of the house?
What are you talking about?
Food stuff like meat, stockfish, even firewood and drinks.
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know?
Maybe it's Mama that kept them. I don't know. I'm not sure.
What could Mama be doing with all those things?
Ebere, I just told you that I do not know. I'm just coming back. I don't know.
Naya, is this something you're not telling me?
Ebere, what's your problem? Why are you questioning me? I don't know now.
Ogoma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah.
What are you?
That your daughter is getting married.
Oh, that? Of course she's getting married. Oh, you've not heard? Hey, God has been awesome. He sent one wonderful man, very tall, fair like this. They call him the Dawn. He wants to marry my daughter. He is loaded, I'm telling you. Yes. After all my Ogoma, have you forgotten? The same daughter you couldn't train. You can't pay her university fee. You asked her to go and learn how to sew. And I took it upon myself, begged my son to train that girl. At the end of the day, you are telling me this. He's getting married to the Don. He has money. Look at what you're saying. You! No more Lisa. Forward ever. Backwards never. After all we've done for your family, you trained. Your son trained my daughter. So? You are the one saying this? Yes! I thought your son was running a charity organization. So, must my daughter die? Because your son trained her in the university. People train people and nothing is tied to it. Your son is not destined to marry my daughter, else this dawn would not have come our way. What are we talking about? Listen, even WHO gives money to Nigeria. When we don't pay it back, they don't even harass us. So what's the big deal? Eh? If you have something better to say, you say. You're very ungrateful. I'm so disappointed. You're very ungrateful. Look at you. See the way you're talking now, your mouth is... You forgot it so soon. Don't you know what is happening in this country? Who is the president? Boo! What has that got to do with what I'm saying? Have you heard of recession? Have you? So you want me and my daughter to die at this period?
Your son has nothing to offer. A daughter you couldn't take care of. So God. A daughter you could not send to school. You're telling me about the country. Yes. What has that got to do with it? We need to survive. Mama Odisa, we need to survive. We were dying until this dawn stepped into our life. You know, singing. There's nothing we can do about it though. We're moving forward, my dear. I'm sorry, Biko. Let your anger not be too high. Just, you know, I'm surprised. I'm really, really surprised that you're saying this. You're vomiting this thing from your mouth. Well, you know what? We will pay back whatever. I will tell Dawn, I will collect the receipts from your son, calculate everything, and pay you in dollars. Biko, all right? Thank you.
Baby, when are you taking me to South Africa?
Soon.
Baby, every time you keep telling me soon. Baby, I told my girlfriend in the village, I told Ebere that I'll be going to South Africa. I can't just wait to call her with South African number so that she will know that I've arrived. Please, now when are we going?
Listen. Speaking of South Africa, is it a must that we go to South Africa together?
But you promised to take me there.
So?
I was just curious. I can't just wait to go there. I just want to see how
Keep that curiosity to yourself. Stop bugging me.
Desmond. I don't understand you these days. Desmond, you have changed. This is not the Desmond I used to know. You get angry at every slightest provocation. Why?
That's because you piss me off with your silly questions. Now let me tell you, enough of this South African thing.
Hi, baby. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Anyway, I hope you've not forgotten what today's date is.
So what's so special about today?
Today is a very special day in my life. My birthday! Baby.
You're making this sound like I won one big contract or there's a big project coming my way. So, your birthday. So what do I do?
Honey, I don't understand you. I just told you that today is my birthday. A very special day in my life. And look at what you're saying to me. My own husband.
So what do you want me to do now? No, tell me.
At least you should wish me well. Long life and prosperity is all I deserve. As your wife.
Oh, my wonderful wife. Precious, angelic wife just said I should wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I hope that's enough. Excuse me.
It is not enough. You aren't going anywhere. You should take me out.
Alright, I heard you. A cup of ice cream or two will do. Maybe probably one of this fast food journey. Is that okay? Excuse me. Come on. Jerry, where's Jerry? Meet me outside.
Hey, what kind of a man can I get married to? Are you going out?
No. I'm not going out. I'm going in. You see? Yeah, your wife got you.
Why are you talking to me like that? Is there a problem?
You see what I keep telling you about this bitch? You see what I keep telling you about this girl? Bugging me all the time. What's the problem? I won't even have a moment of rest in this house.
I don't understand you. You were supposed to take me out.
Take you out? As in what? I'm sorry to disappoint you. We never had that discussion. Do you understand me? Nigga, you see what I keep telling you? No, don't tell me to calm down, Jerry. I don't like that. She's fond of this. Now you listen and listen real good. Go right in there to the kitchen and prepare my meal. That's where you belong, and the other room.
Your meal shouldn't be an excuse. Your meal is ready. I've prepared it.
Alright?
The issue is where you're going to.
You heard me. Get out of here! Bitch!
at what you have turned yourself into. A drunk? A drunk? A married man like you? You cannot respect yourself for once. And this one.
You're stupid. I said, you are stupid.
Yes, you are the one who is very stupid, hopeless, shameless. Are you not supposed to be a responsible married man? Look at what you've turned yourself into. You stink.
You called me a drunk. All sort of names. It is not your fault. It's not your just look at you. Idiots that I brought out of that poverty-stricken home of yours. Yes. You guys never had food to eat. I was the one responsible for your being this girl today. Yet you still don't appreciate me. What do I get in return? Nagging. Insults. Idiot.
My goodness. What? Hey! Desmond. Give that to me. Desmond. So this is what you carry about. Desmond, you're shit. Desmond, I cursed the day I met you.
You're talking to me like poverty.
Desmond!
Yes. You are a very stupid woman, that's what you are.
Desmond, you didn't raise your hand against me.
And I will raise my hands over and over and over. If you don't, as more of that, I will use my bed and whip the hell out of your stupid ass. Retarded bitch who is supposed to be appreciating all my efforts. Idiot. Not your fault.
Baby.
Everywhere.
You're here.
What's up, boo baby?
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
That's my baby right there. That's my baby right there. It's all good, man. You know how I do, baby. Alright, I will heat you up out of club, you understand? You know, when you jack it up like, you know how you jack it up like.
Yeah. But don't forget to bring the money when you're coming.
You know how I'm going to spend, as long as you give me this, tweak it up, tweak it up,
Yeah,
tweak it up.
Alright.
That's my baby. Alright, then. Be good, huh? So what are you supposed to do? Tweak it up, baby. Yeah, tweak it up. 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 You always come low.
Desmond! Who is that girl? I am asking you a question! Who is that girl?
Sometimes I wonder if this house belongs to you or me. Huh?
Desmond, what are you talking about? That I saw a strange girl in my matrimonial home. I shouldn't talk? Who the hell is she?
Don't raise your voice at me. Do you understand me?
Okay, fine. I'm calm. But please tell me, who is she and what is she doing in our house? Who?
She's just a friend. Just a friend.
What do you mean by that? A friend? But I don't know her.
You still know all my friends? You know the kind of friends I have out there?
Oh, please don't tell me that. You call her just your friend, but I saw her kissing you. Why are you lying?
Oh, so with all the education I gave you, you still don't know the difference between kiss and tell?
Desmond, stop lying to me. What is wrong with you? I saw her kiss you and you're still lying?
in that manner? I'm your husband.
I'm your wife for crying out loud. What are you talking about? What are you doing with a strange girl in my house? Our house!
Word of correction. Did I just hear you clearly? You said our house? Oh, this house that I built with my own money, with my own cheddar, with my own moolah, with my own dough, with my own Benjamin, is what you refer to as our house?
You heard me properly!
You must be insane. And your retarded father out there afford this kind of exquisite queen? Can he afford this kind of exquisite mansion? He can't because he doesn't have the money. He can't because he is a nobody. He can't because he is retarded. Now, just mind the way you talk. Mind the way you talk.
Desmond, I have warned you. I have warned you times to that number that on no account should you involve my parents in any discussion I'm having with you. We wouldn't listen. Desmond, I don't like it though. I don't like it.
Now right this minute, I want you to get out of my sight. Get out! Get out!
Oh, my eyes have seen my ears. Desmond is not who we think he is. He yells at me. He talks to me anyhow. He gets angry at me on every single thing I do. He treats me like a house girl. Oh, I'm tired. I'm very tired.
Men are like that. Just follow him with caution. Then gradually you will begin to understand him. And he too will begin to understand you. And everything will be fine. You understand what I'm saying?
Mama, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. I'll try. I saw it gone in the drawer at the dining. What is God doing in this house?
Don't let me repeat myself. I said get me food we eat.
Desmond, I demand to know what you are doing with a gun. Why do you have a gun in your house?
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
Yes!
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
This one!
Oh. What do you mean you don't want? Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I am not in the mood for all this. Leave me alone.
Oh, come on.
I'm not in the mood for that thing. I said I'm not in the mood for that. Leave me. I'm not doing this with you. Leave me.
Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I said I do not want. Let go. My body. I'll never be a soft with a woman.
Have you made my breakfast?
It's at the dining.
My food is at the dining.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I don't like the way you've been treating me lately. You don't treat me as your wife. Last night you dragged me as if I was a dog. Now you started it again. Please. You should stop this thing you're doing. I'm not feeling fine. I need money. I need money to go to the hospital and take care of myself.
You need money to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Tell that to the next.
Okaro mobi ujina tumo oboko asiade kosiafo love nerekoko love a woman.
Can I help you? What the fuck? You asking me if you can help me? What a rude way of talking to me. Who the hell do you think you are? Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Are you mad? Look at this cheap whore. Hello? Have you lost your senses?
So you came to my husband's house. Oh, you don't know that Desmond is married. And you opened your silly mouth to ask me stupid questions. Are you mad? Have you lost it? I said, will you shut up your mouth? Don't you have manners? Don't you know how to welcome visitors? Shut up, who are you?
My friend, if you don't know what to say, just shut your mouth and get your future self out from my way. Let me get
the one who have to shut your mouth.
Shut it! Look at you! You're very shameless. You are epitome of shame. You're very stupid. So you come to my husband's house and order me around. As who? If you try any nonsense with me, I will break you. Get out of my! Get out of my! Get out of my house!
Hey. Enough of that. Now tell me what's going on.
You ask this prostitute is what she's doing in my house.
Baby, can you imagine this filthy thing you call a wife? I don't even know what she's calling herself. She's asking me if she can help me. She's even crying out. She's even calling me names. That I'm a prostitute. She's going to break my head. Desmond, because I came to look for you. Desmond, you better take care of this shit.
Now I ask you, did you say all this to her?
I didn't. She's lying. Desmond, she is lying.
Because I knew it. How many times have I ever warned you not to ever insult my visitors or embarrass them in any sort of ways?
You're slapping me because of this whore? You're slapping your wife? And you will slap you again if you don't mind your business. Rubbish.
Yeah.
Solu was up, give me key.
You understand? Fuck me, baby. You're asking me where I'm going to. What business of yours is that? Now, do not ask me some questions anymore. You understand me?
Honey, what have I done wrong? But I asked my own husband where he's going to. When has that become a problem?
So now I've become your houseboy, you ask a question anyhow you like. Huh?
I never said you're my houseboy, but as your wife, I demand to know your whereabouts, and that's not a problem.
Don't ask me such questions anymore, so you don't see the other side of me.
Okay, baby, wait. Please. I want to ask you for something. Please, when I need money to make my hair is old.
You need money to fix your hair. I'm sorry I don't have money. I'm speaking of hair. What's wrong with the hair though? Talking of your hair being old. When you were in your retarded father's house, you make me hair then? I ask you.
I don't like what you just said right now. I don't like it. I have told you time to that number that whenever I'm discussing anything with you, you shouldn't get my parents involved.
Oh, will you shut up, Jack? Who's your parents? Who's your parents? The truth of the matter right now is that I'm sick and tired of you. I'm sick of you. Sick of you. I need you no more in my life. It's clearly obvious you're tired of this marriage, and that's what it is. I'm gonna listen for the minute. Listen and listen well. By the time I come back, I don't want to see you anywhere near this place. I've just told you that. Just get that.
All right.
Respect whatever I say. You understand me?
All right, honey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to annoy you, please. I'm sorry.
Let that sorry take it to your father. Take that sorry to your father. That's not for me. Excuse me. Not honey me. I've told you countless times not to call me honey. I'm not interested. Do you understand me?
Please, honey, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Sorry for your sorry ass. I don't need that.
Okay, give me a second chance. I will not offend you again, please. I'm sorry. Please, my love.
Since you don't get the picture, right? You don't get the picture.
You know what I'm saying, please. I'm very sorry, please. I promise not to do it again. I will never offend you again. Please.
You want to get a picture right now?
Honey?
Where does it to watch me act?
Honey? Honey, please, wait. Honey, please. Honey. Honey, please. I'm begging. Honey. Honey, why is your face like this? Huh? Honey, are you okay? Honey.
What is it? What is it? You're crying. Nanya, what happened? Talk to me and your mother. What happened?
I did not do anything to him. I only asked him for money to make my hair. And Desmond brought out gun that he was going to shoot me.
Yes. You asked him for money to make your hair. And he brought out a gun to shoot you. Is he mad?
Mama, I don't know. Mama, please. I need you to help me beg Desmond. I don't want the villagers to mock me. I want to go back to my Desmond, please.
Nobody will mock you. You're my daughter. I will go and talk to him. And you will go back to your house. Stop crying, please. Eh?
Who do we have here? You are beaming with smiles as somebody that won a lottery. By the way, have you finished enjoying your breath of fresh air with Desmond the Don?
Nani, please, instead of you to sympathize with your daughter, you're here laughing at her.
Oh, why should I find out when she's crying? She's crying because she wants to cry.
You can see that she's heartbroken.
Oh, she's already heartbroken. No, don't worry, this is the beginning, it's the starting point. Acupuncture, Amadara. That is just that.
Nani, go now. Nani.
Yes.
I want to ask you to please go and see our in-law.
Who is your in-law?
Desmond, our in-law.
Desmond is not my in-law. He is your in-law. So don't call him my in-law.
Okay. Let's not argue over that.
Okay.
But I would like you to go and see him. So you can discuss this issue with our daughter. I mean, why would he pull out a gun to shoot her? It doesn't make sense. If you go and represent yourself as her father, you should have respect for my daughter, our daughter.
Did you not invite Anika, my brother, to stand by you when you wanted to give Funaya's hand in marriage? You can still go to Anika and ask him to go and meet Desmond and bring the inquiry of whatever you demand.
From all you're saying, it's obvious you don't want to. No problem. I will go and see him. But let me tell you something. It is quite unfortunate that there will be a man in the house and I will be expected to go and meet the in-law. No problem. I will be the man. I will go and represent my daughter.
You have been doing the work of the man in this house. So go ahead. Carry on with your good work. Carry on.
No problem. This is your state of poverty from the day I married you. Still written all over you and the decisions you take in life.
Desmond would have blasted her head with that gun. You're marrying a rich man.
Hey, my in-law. The Don.
Listen to me. Do not call me your in-law. Do you understand me? Hey, don't even step on me. Get down.
Please. Please. Whatever Funanya has done to you, forgive her. With time, she will learn, she will understand you better, and then you would understand her, and you people would live happily.
Listen, Mama. As far as I'm concerned, your daughter is a waste being on me.
Eh?
She's a waste being on me.
Waste being?
Yeah, that's what it is.
What's waste being?
Okay. Tell you something. You don't get a code right now, huh?
Code?
You don't understand the code.
Are you crying for Funanya? But she loves you. Oh, my dear son, she loves you. Please don't cry. Stop crying, my in-law. Stop crying.
Wait for me.
The poor boy is crying. My daughter is equally crying. That means they love each other so much. Crying with his mouth wide open for that matter. Oh.
Mana speak.
Come.
Mana speaks.
Wait.
Mana.
Come.
Mana. Hey, yo, Mama, come through. Mana. You would have waited for me, Mama. Say Mana speaks. Mana. You waited. You go mad.
Etiko. I hope he has forgiven me. Mama, talk to me now.
Why?
What did he say?
My eyes saw the back of my face. I am volunteering. Why for Bethlehem?
What happened? Tell me.
Hey, there is no way I will go back to that house again. Do you know it's only God that saved me?
Tell me exactly what happened. What is the problem?
That boy almost shot me. He almost shot me with his gun.
Why?
There's no way I'm going back there. That boy is mad though. He is really mad. There's no way you're going back there.
I cannot stay here. I need to go back to my husband's house. Are you saying I cannot go back to my husband's house again?
Instead of you to thank God that I came out alive, you're here talking about going back to your husband's house. You're on your own.
I really want to go back to my husband's house. I don't want the villagers to want me. What will become of me, Mama? You understand this? Mama, why are you limping? Huh?
From where? Can't see where that. That's how I fell in his house.
Hey,
yeah?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please. Oh, let me help you up, okay? So you go and rest.
You are not even crying like a real woman who has seen a breath of fresh air.
Why are you doing this to me?
What am I doing?
But you know very well that I'm heartbroken now. Is this what you should be telling me?
Oh, she's heartbroken. Why not climb a tree and shout it to the entire village that I'm heartbroken? I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. Let me tell you. Go and climb the tree and tell them you're heartbroken.
You're still crying? You're still crying over that young man? Do you want to kill yourself because of him?
No, Mama, I want to go back to my husband's house. I want to go back to Desmond.
That is not why you should die because of Desmond. Go and talk to your father's brother, Anika. Maybe he can help us. Oh? It's okay. My dear, stop crying. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Ebere.
Let me understand. You say you want me to go to the city and talk to your in-law this one.
Exactly.
And that last time you were there, he had a gun and nearly shot you.
Yes, sir.
And you still want me to go there?
Yes, I want you to go there and talk to him. Let him come back here and take his life. That's all. You know, it's been a long time.
I might not find my way back. I might get lost there.
No, you will not get lost. I'm going to write down the directions for you and put down the address. There's no way you will get lost. So don't worry about that one. It will be taken care of.
But with the address does not mean I can't get lost in the city. You know how city is.
I can see that you really don't want to go. You're just Billy Livered. You're not a man in the real sense of the word. You're just sitting like a woman. You don't want to do anything. No problem. Don't worry. I will handle this thing by me. Thank you.
You want me to go and die for what I don't know? See,
what are we going to do about this thing? This marriage thing?
I've told you to stop using that word. We. It is you. Whatever you want to say, you say you on your own. when you were jumping from point to point, place to place, shouting the dawn, you never believed that a day like this will come. You didn't believe. A daughter, just your only child. A man came from nowhere. You've never seen him before, and you determined that this man was the best to marry your daughter.
Well, I am sorry for not coming to you. You know, you have this gift of seeing into the future. But the thing is, which way forward?
Have you ever taken any of my words seriously?
Fulani, where are you going to?
I'm going back to beg my husband. I'm going to Desmond. I am tired of all this.
You're going back to Desmond's house?
Yes.
Do you want to die?
Is it not better for me? Is it not better I die in my husband's house than to live here with the shame and disgrace from the villagers and from my father? Is it not better?
Chelkwao, my daughter, I can't allow that. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I shouldn't touch you.
You heard me.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Try it one more time and I will dislocate your jaw for you.
Mama, I will talk to you anyhow. Because you do not deserve my respect. You are responsible for my present predicament. Look at me. What nonsense. Break my jaw now. Break my jaw. Hey! Hey!
So it is me that you're using that mouth you used to suck this breast to abuse, eh? It shall never be well with you. Eh? Yes, it will not be well.
Mama, it will not be well with you too. It will never be well with you. Look at you. Are you a good mother? Are you a good mother? Have you seen what you've done to me? You've ruined my life. I cursed the day you conceived me. You're a very wicked woman.
So you now curse me. With this mouth that you used to suck this breast, you now curse me. You know what? I disown you.
Look at what you're talking about. I disown you too. I do not even want you as my mother again. What have you done for me? You have misled me. You useless your life. You useless your life with Olisa. You useless your life with God. You useless my life with Olisa. And my God, God will just you. God will just they can package you together. You useless your life for 4 years with Olisa. You are just a greedy woman. Look at you. You are not satisfied. You cannot be satisfied. Don't talk to me.
What? Me? Beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. You're a liar. I cannot do that. Nanya, when I was busy begging you to think twice before you take a decision, you refused and you called me a jealous friend. Now you have come to me to help you beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. I cannot do it.
Babe, why are you talking like this? Please, I need your help. Please.
Please. From Naya, I beg you in the name of God. Please, we are not sisters anymore. We are not blood related anymore. Don't call me your sister again. If you want to talk to Lisa, use your leg and your mouth and go and talk to him. I can never and will never do that. If you know where you took your bath, go there and collect your clothes.
Obula jonno kamukulite Ifoma mjinaka odanarumo Onyoma mbunobi akonarumo Asimu kambakwa Akwe pero bube Ejegono muyoya Imano kwere kwe Kamuziano wemo Okaro mobi
I can hear you.
Papa, I know I have really offended you. I have disrespected you in so many ways. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. It was Mama that deceived me. Papa, the truth is that I never loved Desmond. It was Olisa I loved so much. But Mama deceived me to get married to Desmond because he said he was going to take me to abroad.
Can you hear yourself? Just listen to yourself. A grown-up like you a university graduate, does not know her left and her right. So shameful.
But please forgive me. I will not do it again. I'm sorry, Mama.
There is nothing to forgive here. You didn't offend me. The person you owe apology is Olisa. So go and look for Olisa wherever you may find him and apologize to him. That's all.
But Olisa is not picking my calls. I've called him severally. He doesn't talk to me.
From now, you are disturbing me. Let me, I want to have some peace and rest.
Your food is ready.
When last did you serve me food in this house? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please take this thing out of here.
Some people left their husband's house to come and give my husband food in my husband's house.
Take it away, please.
Anyway, my darling, my shoo. Don't mind that girl. Honey, what would you like to eat? Just tell me, let me go and prepare it for you.
Did I beg you for food? Did I tell you I am hungry? I don't need to eat, please. Just let me rest.
When you're ready to eat, just tell me what you want. I'll go and prepare it for you.
Seriously, I haven't been able to sleep. I have been having a series of nightmares.
And how is any of that my business?
I didn't say it's your business, but please. I want to go and see Olisa in the city. Ebere, why are you treating your sister like this? It's unfair. It's me. Why are you behaving like this? I need you to lend me some money. Please, I'll pay you back.
Eh? You want me to lend you some money? Didn't you come back from Lord's house?
I told you.
No. You did not tell me everything. You did not.
Okay. My husband beat me up and threw me out of the house. I did not come out with a pin. I came out only with my handbag. I have nothing with me. I have nothing. Please, my sister, help me, please.
What are you doing?
Please, listen. I'm very sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know I've sinned against you. I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
This is not necessary at all. Because I don't have any grudges in my mind against you. It's long gone.
No, you do, please. Lisa, if you don't forgive me, I cannot forgive myself. I know from the depth of my soul I have sinned against you. I've hurt you deeply. That's why I'm asking for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. Please.
Let me even ask you. Where's your husband? What's his name again? Desmond the dog. Is he aware you're here?
Please do not talk about him. I don't love him. Listen, it's you I love. Please, do not throw me away. Please, you're my last hope. Please, please, I beg.
Please, girl. Just get
Please, forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please. I know you still love me. If not 100%, but at least 50. Please. I am ready to do anything you want. If you want us to get married today, tomorrow, anytime. Please, I am ready for you. I'm sorry.
See how smooth that came out of you. See how smooth you said it. It was very easy for you, right? But I think you seem to forget very fast. You seem to forget that this is not just me and you. We're people. We come from a place. It wasn't just me. My parents, the whole community were involved. My mother, my father, everybody. So how can you just come here and think it's just our only decision?
No.
It doesn't work that way.
Before I came here, I already decided to apologize to anyone I have wronged. I'll go to mother and apologize. I'll go to father, anybody, any of your relations. Please. I'm ready to ask for forgiveness.
Well, I don't think it's really necessary.
Olisa, please. need your favorite. Please eat.
I can't remember ever telling you that I was hungry.
But you've not eaten since I got here.
I think you're pushing this thing too far. Excuse me.
Baby.
To sort out there.
I mean, can't I spend the night here?
That's not possible.
I don't want anywhere to go.
It's not true. Hey, stop. Your cousin Juliet lives in this town. You can go there and sleep, please.
Okay. But can I come back tomorrow?
If you like. Come on, please, I'm late. Come on. Yes, come in. Come in.
Good evening. I brought you fruits. Your favorite fruits.
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
There's no need for this.
My dear, I thought you'd forgiven me.
See, from Naya, it's not about forgiving me. You see, you're just acting as if nothing ever happened before now. And moreover, I think you're pushing this too fast. I think you should just take this things easy. Moreover, I'll be traveling tomorrow I'll be traveling tomorrow, so I'm really tidying up some things.
Traveling?
Yes.
Where are you traveling to?
Well, if you must know, I'm going to Abuja, and from there I'm going to the village.
Then I can come with you, right?
Of course, you know that's not possible. Most I'll be flying, and from Abuja I'll be going to the village.
We told you do not want me in your house. Are you throwing me away indirectly?
Far be it from Naya. If I don't want you there, you wouldn't have stepped in here in the first place. Just take it easy, like I said, okay? Please.
Mama, Papa, Mama, how are you? Papa, good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Mama, I brought you bread. For you and Papa.
We don't need your bread. Take it back. We have enough bread in this house.
Mama, this one, it's a very special one. Direct from the bakery. You will like it.
And I said we don't need it. We don't need your bread. Take it home. Let me ask you. What of your husband? That's your rich husband. I heard he has plenty of money. How is he?
Mama, that man is not my husband.
Eh?
That man is very wicked. He's been mean to me. I don't want to talk about him. I had to leave his house.
Huh?
I'm no longer married to him.
Story.
I'm telling you the truth. That man is a devil. He doesn't take care of me.
He's very, very mean. He beats me. Mama, you will not understand. I just thank God I left his house and I'm still alive today.
Yeah. Story.
Hey, Mama. I heard my Olisa. No, my Olisa told me that he will be coming around.
You are who?
I don't know if he has arrived yet.
Who is your Olisa? Who is your Olisa? Shut up! Shut up your smelling mouth. Let me ask you, what business do you have with Olisa?
Mama, please. I beg you, help me and plead with Papa. I am very, very sorry. I know I have wronged both you and Papa, and I'm not supposed to be here to beg for your forgiveness. Please, I am very, very sorry. Mama, the truth is that since I left this house, I haven't been myself. The thought of Olisa makes me lose my mind. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You are a shameless girl.
Hey.
You are a shameless girl.
Mama, be sorry.
Let it not be that she used to visit Olisa. Let me tell you something. Olisa, my son is married.
Hey.
If you know what is good for you, take your shameless self to your house and go and be thinking of him there.
Mama, please now, Papa.
I take your only member.
Mama, I'm begging you, please, Mama. Papa.
Just get out of my face and stop it for me.
Please, I'm sorry.
Get out and stop it.
You needn't have seen the kind of embarrassment I faced today. If you were there, you would shed tears for me. Yeah? I'm telling you. His parents just walked out on me as if I was so invincible. I was talking to them, they behaved as if I was just wasting my time. The next thing was they stood up and left. If the ground could open, I would have entered. I didn't know you had no shame. So you had the face to go to that house again after what you did to their son. As if you do not know how much I love Olisa. Love? Yes! How much do you love Olisa? Please, tell me.
Oh, please, leave me. Before you start looking for someone you will blame now. Please.
Do you know you are very confused? I have never seen anyone as confused as you are in this life. You're just shameless.
Ebere, are you with me or not? Because I don't understand you. Why are you talking to me as if I'm a child?
Because you act like one. You act like a child. Look, Fumnaya, if I were you, I will leave this village and will not return in years.
What? Why? Ebere!
Please, Fumnaya, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Do not come to my house with your problems. I have my own problems. If you are looking for someone to talk to your mother. She knows it all. Please.
Hi, Papa. Papa, you're welcome.
These are not my clothes.
They're your clothes, Papa. I'm washing them for you. They're very dirty. Yes. I'm also roasting yam for you. I know you like roasted yam.
Since when did you become this humble?
Papa was never a bad girl. It's just that Mama deceived me.
You became a bad girl the day you disobeyed me and married that crazy fool.
Papa, I've tried in so many ways to make you understand that I'm really, really sorry for what I did. Please, Papa, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry, Papa.
I know you are sorry indeed. But you know that no matter how fast a wound heals,
the scars remain.
Papa, I have brought you the yam. The roasted yam I made for you. Please come and eat.
But you know I have toothache. I can't eat this yam with this tooth.
Papa, I know very well that you love roasted yam. I spent almost an hour trying to make it for you. Please do not turn it down. Please just taste it.
But I can't eat it. I'm working to enjoy myself.
Papa, please don't leave it.
Take it away! I'm not trouble me. Don't know what it means to have bad tooth. That place I will touch. Not touch.
Is the most beautiful thing in the world. There's
I need to want that remove the 12 black Are you deaf or something?
I did. And so?
I can see that you now feel that you have the right to enter inside my house, my store, and take whatever you like, right?
What kind of a mother are you? It is very obvious to me now that you don't have conscience. You don't have it. Won't you at least sit down for a minute and think? Think about the terrible things you've done. Can't you think? Look at what you've done to me. You kept me in this terrible condition. You misled me, Mama. Yes. You can't show any remorse. Not even little. You can't show any remorse.
I don't have a conscience. I should be the one that would be remorseful. You're the one that should be remorseful. You married a good man. A man that has money. That took care of you. You said it yourself. Rather than being a good wife, you went there, messed up yourself, and they sent you packing. Let me warn you. Don't you ever enter my kitchen nor my store to carry any of my foodstuff. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nonsense.
What kind of mother are you? Hey! I feel like running away from that house. That house is like hell to me. When I walk in the village, people point at me, say nasty things about me, gossip with my name. I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated.
I wish you had listened to me. I wish you had listened to your father. All these things wouldn't have been happening.
Now even my own father sees me as an outcast. He doesn't eat my food. My father doesn't eat what I cook. When I'm in the house, he practically runs away because he doesn't want to see me. What could be more than that? That is how bad it has become.
But do you blame him? You don't have to blame him. All you need to do is just ask him for forgiveness.
He has not even given me the opportunity to ask him for forgiveness. He hasn't even given me the opportunity to come any inch close to him.
You don't need him to give you the chance or the opportunity to talk to him. You have to create a means and ask him for forgiveness. Just go home and try and talk to him. Okay?
I know let you down. I have failed you and I have disrespected you in so many ways. Oh, Papa, please. Please. Papa, I am here to ask for your forgiveness. If you don't forgive me, my life will be more miserable than it is now. Please.
Get up.
No. But I will never get up until you forgive me. I won't.
Funaya, get up. I have forgiven you.
No.
Stop crying. Stop crying. I called you severally to speak to you as a child. My only child, whom I love. But to put aside everything I told you and followed your mother's way.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I'm deeply sorry.
It's okay.
I've never tried again.
No, I'm sorry.
I've always listened to you.
Stop that.
Agunde, Papa, was coming to ask you. Hey, Papa, even if it is charm they used on you, Papa, tell them it will not work. Hey, because I won't be alive and watch them destroy my son. But Papa, shut up, let me talk. Sometimes I look at you as if you love my blood. Nonsense! Huh? Papa, what is it? Your son, ask him what he said. That he has forgiven Funaya.
What Funaya?
Let him speak. Talk to your mother yourself.
Will you say, Luka?
Mama.
Don't tell me that your sudden return is because of Funaya.
Ma, it's just that Funaya is not a good girl. She's changed.
Hey! Did you hear him? Hey! You've heard him.
Hey!
Yes, you heard him.
Who is that? Hey! What have you done to my son? What have you done to him? They have used you to do it.
Ma, nobody used
They have
to do
cast a spell on you.
Ma, nobody cast anything on me.
Something is wrong with you. All I know is that there is no way a lion can beget a goat. Anything they must have done to him, it will not work so long as I'm alive. Nonsense. Hey!
Hey! Hey! What have they done to you?
Aha! Gods of my ancestors, will you be there and watch me going to shame? Nowhere! These people have decided to destroy my son, but they will not succeed. No. If it is from the wood, I reject it. Is it from the sound here? I send it back to sender.
Is it from the air? Let it follow the air. Anywhere they did it, let it not work in my son. It will not have any power to work in my son. They cannot take him away from me. No way. Even if he ate it, they give it to him and ate it in his mouth. It cannot. I mean, whether it is done by a man or a woman, living or dead, it will not work. It will not have any effect on my son.
What's the meaning of this?
Wait, my son. Let me cleanse you.
Cleanse you how?
Cleanse you from the hands of evil.
Papa, stop! What is the meaning of all this?
This is what is called cleansing. Like those people that have caged you and you're busy thinking about Naya. You don't know anything again, man.
You're making this thing look like a war.
It is war! War indeed! Do you know this is war? This war, the war is already on. Or do you want me as an elder to sit back at home and watch the she goat deliver in the theater? Look, I will not be alive and watch somebody put his finger into my nose. The battle is on and you're talking about war. Look at what is happening now. They have hypnotized you concerning that girl.
But there is no need for all this. There is no need. I'm not involved with this at all. Don't even count me on it. You're just wasting time. What's this? You have not even listened to me for once.
Only you're involved.
I'm not. I don't understand this. What?
You are from the lineage of the lions. And lions do not feed on grass. John, I call you. The cause of war. If it doesn't stop it. Police is actually in the village just because of Naya.
Which Naya are you talking about?
The same ungrateful girl.
The same Naya who broke your heart and followed another man?
She has left her husband's house and my son want to bring her, want to take her.
No, you don't have to. Are you under his spell?
Ask him, Jualumia.
Did she use juju on you? Did she sham you?
Ask him.
You mean you want to settle for a woman who almost ruined your life? What kind of madness is that now?
Ask him.
So what happened?
It is not madness. It's surprising and strange that you're joining Papa and Mama to treat me like a small boy.
Are you not a boy? Olisa, are you not a boy? Only You are a child. You are a small boy. What is all this? A boy again?
You are still out.
And there is your Dikeh.
Even if your head touches the sky, you still remain our son.
Anyway, the truth is that if I had known that this is the reason why Papa called me for this meeting, I wouldn't have answered to it. And as it is right now, I have to take my leave. Excuse me.
Olisa!
Hey!
Olisa, Loka! Hey! This is what Olisa used to know.
Listen, what you now do? Just be calling on Naya, and nothing else. That was why I called you to come and witness for yourself. Because if a man sees a snake, you can turn it to be a bat.
How can a man take into his arm the same dog that beats his manhood? This is not ordinary. They have gone to Gideon's house,
and that will not work. It will not work for them. I can be here and fold my eyes and watch them ruin my only son. It was impossible. It will not work. I will show them why I'm calling you. They will see the reason I'm called Ogidiga. I will not watch them destroy my only son. Which one is wife or whatever they call it.
Tension is so high, please. Tension high? What happened? It's not something I want to talk about. No. We have to talk about it. I hope you're not having problems with your parents because of Naya. No. Your mother complains bitterly about it.
And honestly, when she was complaining, I thought she was joking. And I told her I would talk to you. Thank God I've seen you now. What's the problem?
Like I said before, it's not something I want to talk about. But I want Naija to go find somewhere
that this true love should stay. We have to discuss it. Because you're my friend. And as good friends, I have to be honest with you. I hope you're not planning or thinking of going back to that girl. No, seriously, if you do, I will see you as a man who throws out his spit and goes back to lick it. Your pigs licks a man. Let me ask you. At any point in time, discussed with you is related to Naija. Whether I will bring her back. But you see, why I'm saying it is because if you're crying, it's me you will come to. I don't want you to go back to her again. Don't forget what she did to you. She dealt with you. You need to follow me. So we look for a place to relax and have release. Take fresh moment. Talking about going to drink. You have money with you. She's free. Listen, as your friend, I want you to tell me this. Are you still interested in Naija?
Does it look to you like I'm still interested in her?
I'm the one asking the question.
Yeah, but I'm asking it back to you. I'm putting it back to you. Have I at any point in time discussed the issue concerning Naija?
Whether I want her back or not.
The way you're going about it shows that...
Yes? Are we going to drink or not?
Listen, this girl treated you so bad.
Onyeka, are you going to drink or you want me to leave it blind so that you can continue on your own?
Olisa, I want to know the reason why you reached out to me and your parents. Because we want the best for you. I want to know why you.
Well, Auntie, I don't understand why one will not have rest in his father's house. Yeah? This is my father's house.
Olisa,
So,
you haven't answered my question. I want to know why you walked out on us. Because you said you will not marry that wicked girl. That wicked girl. Eh?
And the reason why you left your husband's house. Far, please. You come here and start disturbing us. Is it fair?
No, it's not important. It's not important. You think we will stay alive and allow somebody use juju on you to scatter your head? You think that will happen? It will not happen. It won't.
There's nobody using juju on you. Okay.
See here. And that's the reason you want to bring back the same girl. The same girl that almost ruined your life? Hey.
My life is not ruined. I've said that to you before. My life is...
Hey! See the way my son is talking. My son is talking like someone the head is inside the evil forest.
Like a man.
Which man? Which man? Hey! Your heart is still with that girl.
No, now my wife. It will not happen. It won't happen. He will not marry that girl. You won't marry that girl.
You're just stressing yourself, Auntie. You are stressing yourself for nothing. And it's not good for your health.
So what we're saying is not important to you, eh, Olisa? It's not important.
Enough!
Okay, now we'll see.
Oh, you land, hear my voice. The spirit of my ancestors, bear ye me now witness. You that guide within the four walls of this compound, that I am not in support of my son marrying Fumunaya. But if he goes ahead and marries her, my spirit will forever torment him. So be it.
Whatever that they have done, wherever that they have gone to, that thing will not work. I promise you it will not work. I will call my pastor to and tell him all these things that is happening here. Because we cannot sit and allow this thing to happen. It won't happen, no. Eh? Where is he? Olisa! Olisa, where are you? Come here.
Gods of our land, the spirit of my ancestors, I call to appease you with this collar. I am from the lineage of the lions. And whoever touches the tail of a lion must be beaten by it.
Olisa, good that you are here. If you dare marry that girl, you know what I will do? I will get into this house, lock up myself then, and set myself ablaze. Then my spirit will always torment you.
And I will join you. I will join you. Let's give Olisa the chance to dance this dance of shame. Dance this dance of shame.
Anything happens to my brother, if anything happens to my brother, I will gather the mother here and they will place a curse on you. Bet me on that.
Do you know that that girl went to his house in the city?
What? Look at him. No. This is juju now. This is juju in action.
Auntie, there's nobody using spell on me. No juju on me. I'm normal.
You are normal?
Yes.
Do you look normal? Do you look normal?
Like this. I don't understand this. I want to go out.
You're going where?
I'm going out.
Will you sit down there? Sit down there! Fool! You're going where? I said sit down! Listen, if you dare step out of this place now, I'll just place a curse upon you.
No, sir. But why are you talking to me as if I'm a child, sir?
Shut up your mouth and sit down! Olisa, you are a small boy. You must listen to your father. Sit down. Sit down, Olisa. Sit down. Sit down. If you step an inch here, Olisa, if you step an inch here, you will visit Mongo Park today.
Just leave him. Let him try it. Watch for no place.
Hello? Oh, thank God. Hello, Pastor, please. Are you still around? Oh, thank God. Please, can you come to my brother's house? Eh? The devil wants to steal and destroy. Please, can you come quickly, please? Eh? It's very urgent. Okay, you're coming. Thank God. Please hurry, we are waiting. What? Thank you. God forbid that I will allow this to happen. You see that girl? That girl and her mother have failed. They will know that I serve a powerful God. A God that I worship can never allow this to happen. I tell you that.
But auntie, I told you there is no juju on me.
See this one. You hear yourself? That is how people talk when they are under a spell if you don't know that. Let me tell you. Do you hear me? That is how they talk.
Nobody is even interested in hearing my own opinion. You people are just talking.
Shut up your mouth. Which opinion? Which nonsense opinion?
But I want to go out. I told you people that before.
You're going where? I said sit down and don't go to anywhere. Sit down!
Sit down.
Are you out of your senses?
Listen to your father. Huh? Sit down.
Sit down!
Sit down.
Is it because I left you all this while? Showing disobedience. What's wrong with you?
I've been outside.
Go! Will you sit down? If you step out of here, I will go out.
Pastor is here. Pastor is here. Pastor, thank God you're here. An evil woman cast a spell on my nephew. Please, I want you to pray. Pray,
The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. In Jesus' name, Father, we thank you for a day like this. With the way you delivered Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, we want you to deliver this young man in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, we thank you for a day like this because we know you have done it. Because we know you have delivered for a day like this.
Rub it one.
I don't understand this at all. Look at my whole body. Look at the whole of my body. See how I'm dripping of oil.
You needed to nullify you from the juju in your body.
Nullify me from what? What, auntie? You didn't even ask for my opinion. You just started pouring me oil. What's that now?
Opinion, you say?
Yes.
Well, at least you can now talk sensibly. Let's hear your opinion. Let's hear that your opinion now. Talk, let's hear you.
It's not that you want me to talk.
Talk.
Now. So before I was talking rubbish. Why didn't you ask me before?
Okay, let's hear it. Talk, let's hear it.
Anyway, let me just say it. case you people were thinking that I came into this village because of Funaya, it's a lie. I did not come because of Funaya.
Why then are you in the village this week?
Because I have a surprise for you people, Papa.
Surprise?
Yes, Papa.
What kind of surprise can come from you if not topics of Funaya?
There you go wrong, Papa. There you go wrong. Because it's not only the elderly that knows everything. You should have asked me first. That's the point. That's why I said nobody listened to me. Nobody.
Okay, so what's the surprise?
Well, I found a woman that I want to marry. And she's coming here today.
Story. Okay, who is she?
Insist, one of the daughters of the Cantis, our Cantis here.
Which of?
But look at me now, I'm expecting a visitor. Look at how I'm tripping up right.
Okay, you're welcome.
My lord, I'm so sorry. So that I've been late. I was in a meeting with some core members at our parking zone.
No, it's okay, you came on time. Come, please come. Like I said, you came right in time. Okay, meet my parents, my mom, my dad, my auntie, my dad's sister.
Welcome.
Papa.
Welcome.
This is okay. The surprise that I said. And she's the daughter of our Cantis.
Are you not the medical doctor that lives in Abuja?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I know you. Just that you've changed so much.
Okay,
Welcome.
like I was saying before. To cut the long story short, I know they met long time ago. We've been friends and close, but we have decided to get married.
Married?
I am thinking of going to Ogechi to borrow my brother. So we'll be able to collect this for marriage rights. Whatever it is to do, the earlier the better. You don't have time. Remember, we are watching. Let me get it for you.
Please, I will not disobey you again. I know I have wronged you so deeply. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
So you think after insulting me, you can just come and ask for forgiveness and you expect me to forgive you, huh? No, you think it's that easy, right? You know how mad I can be. Now I'll tell you. By the time I go in there and come out,
No, my husband, don't change your face. You know, whenever you change your face, your anger is always very bad. Please. Please, my husband, don't be angry. Please, don't be. Please. Please. to me? Have you seen the disgrace? The humiliation? The embarrassment you and my mother caused me? Have you seen it? Have you seen my life? Thank you very much. But I have one thing to tell you. Till I die, I will never be able to forgive you for this. I will not.
Yeah, for Nanya, what they call it. Is there anything wrong with you?
Eh?
With your head? Is there anything wrong with you?
Are you asking me that question? Oh yes! Something is wrong with my head. You do not know. I have gone insane. Look at me. I am so ashamed of myself. I can't even stand out amongst my peers. All thanks to you and my mother. You encouraged me to get married to Desmond. Look at my life. If you did not do that with my mother, all this wouldn't have happened to me. But thank you very much. Thank you.
Come. Was I the person who called Desmond to come and marry you? Eh?
You think I do not know you're good? I know you very well. You love bribe. Yes, you have the same character with my mother. You collected bribe from my mother and you discarded me. As a trash can, you discarded me and gave me out to go and suffer. But my God will judge you. You will suffer for everything you have done to me. You will.
Ebere, did you see your friend? Did you see how she stands here and insult me anyhow? And you are doing what?
What are you talking about? You're talking about insults. I haven't even insulted you. I don't even have time to insult you. All I have come is to tell you that you will suffer for all this good you have cursed me. You will suffer and you will pay.
What? Go and tell that to your mother. Look at this girl.
Ooh la 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 la.
Ebere, you are laughing, eh? Eh?
When you were busy eating the bribe, did you give me?
Eh? Alright.
Do you know that life is sweet when beauty meets beauty? Naya, today I saw what I call educated people's traditional marriage.
Who married who?
Oh, you didn't hear?
Hear what? Tell me now. You know I don't like such things.
If you see, Naya, if you see people that I saw in the traditional marriage, ministers, senators, medical doctors, government officials. Hey!
Tell me, why you
understand? Naya, if you see the way money was flying in the air.
Oh, stop it now, stop it. If you're meant to tell me, I don't like suspense, people.
If you see drinks, different kinds of drinks, assorted drinks. Hey! Today was oh God. Today, hey!
Papa, welcome, sir.
Papa, no.
You are in our house?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. Did you see what I saw over there?
Papa, that is exactly what I'm telling you, Naya. This is one in town. I've never seen this before.
That's wonderful. I've never seen such a thing all my life.
Me too.
I never knew that little girl knew people of that caliber in their numbers. See how money was spread everywhere. Olisa was dancing on money. Hey!
Which Olisa are you talking about? Is it my own Olisa?
Olisa got married today.
It's not April Fool today. And I'm not ready to take that from you. Thank you very much.
Naya, Olisa got married today. If you don't believe what we are saying, go and see for yourself. Olisa got married today. It is still happening.
Papa, I don't understand you. Olisa got married and you never told me. I don't know.
I forgot. But they got married today.
Hey, my sister. Before I forget, I have to go and prepare dinner for my father. Oh, you still late.
Olisa cannot be married. She's just joking. Olisa cannot be married. Papa!
know you didn't love me the first day.
Who said so?
I did. I saw it in your eyes.
No. I was just lost in your beauty.
Like you don't report me.
Well, the truth about it, I didn't know where to start. So that I don't get too upset. Also, when you now told me that you're medical doctor, oh my god. I said I'm finished. Well, I mean, I never would have believed it that you would have accepted a man like myself. A trader, I mean a businessman. A common man for that matter.
Baby, you're not common. You're not common. Nothing about you is common, yes. Don't you ever qualify yourself as such thing again.
Thank you.
You're my hero. You know, that day I saw you at the moment I set my eyes on you, there's this thing, I don't know what it's about. It just started drawing me to you, you know? The way you smile, your structure. I just say to myself, this is the kind of man I need for my husband. Everything about you was just so perfect. And then you asked me out for lunch. And I said, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, because this is prayer answered. My father's finally answered my prayer.
And he answered it.
Yes, he did. He did. This is so sweet.
Clothes from my bed.
Yes, I do. I wanted to help you to wash them.
Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. I hope you slept well.
I slept well, my dear.
On this. I'm almost done, Mama.
Please do come and rest. You need to rest.
I'll rest when I'm done, okay?
You need to rest.
Mama, you're the one that needs help, yeah? You've been doing everything by yourself. Let me assist you.
Thank you. Just hurry up so that you have to rest, right?
Just go and wait until you be done, right? Yes.
God knew why he pushed from my out of process.
washed my dirty car. She washed mine too. You don't really have to tell you. Hey! Despite her medication, a medical doctor like that, she's still up. I said very much.
Wow, we thank you God.
Oh, the food is ready.
Yes,
Call your husband.
I've already called myself.
I don't know. Call yourself.
Let's get to sit. I can hear you.
Oh, I was only talking to my wife. The food is getting cold. Sit down. What is it, Oka?
Let's all go one one.
Okay. 1-1. If you are gone, talking to your own wife. Now, pray over this food. Amen.
I want to add these ones to the things you're taking to the city.
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself, eh? You're supposed to be the ones giving you, not the other way around, eh?
My dear, you always have the right way to.
Okay, Mama, let me take this inside.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
Naya, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
From Nayoko.
From Nayoko.
Who gets Yaba?
From Nayoko. Like ages, where have you been?
You left since our secondary school. No one has seen you since then. Nnem, I heard you're now a doctor.
Yes, my dear, I am. All thanks to God. All thanks to God.
I'm so happy for you.
You both know each other?
Yes, Mama. We attended the same secondary school together.
Yes. What are you doing here? I came to see Olisa.
Mama, is Olisa around?
Olisa is around.
Call your husband for her.
Sweetheart! Sweetheart!
Yes?
My darling husband, please come. Somebody wants to see you.
Who is that?
What is going on?
Let me take this thing inside.
Mama, what is going on? Excuse me. Come.
Can you imagine? Coming here to look for what I do not know.
My husband. What was the meaning of that? What are you not telling me?
Okay, I don't really want to discuss that from Naija girl. I don't want to discuss her issue at all.
Just tell me whatever it is bothering you. Whatever it is.
Anyway, if you insist on knowing, see that from night, we're actually dating in a relationship that I had to sacrifice everything to make sure she graduates from the university. And we had agreed that we were going to get married by this January that passed. What did I get in return? She abandoned me, she and her mother. She followed one man that they felt was very rich. Now she's coming back to look for what I do not know.
My husband, is it the same girl Auntie Joy told me about?
already told you about it.
Yes, she did, but I didn't know she was the one.
I didn't see. She's the one. I suffered for this girl. I labored. There were even times that I didn't have at all. I went abroad to make sure she was comfortable at school. At the end of the day, what did I get to it? After graduation, we were supposed to have gotten married. Money broke my heart, she shattered it. Left me in the middle of nowhere. Now she's coming back. Coming back for what?
It's okay, my God. I'm here to mend your heart. I will mend your heart for you. She doesn't know what it means to have a man that is real to the bone. I'll make sure
love a woman okwero ndidi obi mgbawa ewele ọgwụ na-agwọ ya love ekwe ụmụ n'ọba okwero ndidi.
Anyway, I came to inform you that Onyeka and his family are coming to pay my bride price next week. Naya.
Papa, you know we have to be on our way now. The journey to Abuja. Mama, you're still drinking out. What is this?
I did take it. Yes. Take this thing. Open the car, open the front side and put everything inside. Put it at the box.
Now the city with the food stuff. We have food in the city. We have enough.
This one is for me.
Okay.
This is the
village home. How many weeks are we going to keep this one now?
Okay. I want your husband to grow fat when next is going to come to the village.
Mama, I'll feed him fat, don't worry.
Why won't I grow fat with all these things?
And you, Olisa, when next you people are coming, I want to see your wife.
Mama, you trust your son now.
You come now.
See the position, that position I'm using to carry him. I didn't say that.
We need fat here now. Aguna.
Papa.
Mama, take care of this one.
I will, Mama, I will. Take care of yourself too.
Only you.
Hey, Papa.
Take care.
Oh. Take care of yourself. Take care.
You want to help me?
Hey, let me help you.
Don't stay in hand.
I will not.
Go down.
Agunya, I am proud of you. You will make a good husband.
Okaro mobi Uji natumo Obuko asiade Kosiafo Love nere koko Love a woman nana Okwero ndidi Obi mbawa Ewe lobo na boya Love ya bomu noba Okwero ndidi Kosiafo Love nere koko Love a woman mbawa ewe love na boya love ebo munoba okwero ndidi kosiafo love nerekoko love awomunana okwero ndidi obi mbawa